powering this motor 3.5 horsepower, powering this motor 1 horsepower, and charging this battery with just this small inverter.
Hello, good day everyone. My name is Joseph Ocheme, the content creator of Fueleso. I'm about to show you a small inverter, a 1000 V inverter, the small inverter we all know, the Chinese inverter, which has only circuitry inside, was able to power a 1 horsepower electric motor, a 3.5 DC motor, and also charging a battery with just only 200 watts. With just only 200 watts. It's even lesser than 200 watts, but approximately 200 watts. Now let's go to the video. Now, as you can see, here is the electric motor right here. Let me show you. The electric motor shows voltage 180, the amps, then the horsepower 3.5 horsepower. As you can see here, this is the whole setup right here. This is the whole setup. There's no wire connected anywhere. You can see no wire connected anywhere around this system. So this is the entire system, because we are going to use this battery right here, to power this small inverter. This is a small inverter. So this is our circuit right here that does all the stuffs. So we are getting excess outputs from this particular design right here. So I want to take my calculation, my amp reading from this meter, because I was using a clamp meter before to do all my my amps calculation, but I decided to use this clamp meter. This one will show you the exact value of the clamp of the AC directly from the AC source here. So as you can see, it's connected to the AC supply right here, down right here. So you can see, so the amps it will consume while powering this 1 horsepower electric motor right here, 1 horsepower, and also a 3.5 horsepower DC motor. So this is a very efficient DC motor right here. So here is it. So let's do the test. And it is also charging this battery for free. It's also charging this battery for free. So let us start it up. Let's take it to our amps. We're going to take it to AC amps, DC amps, sorry, DC amps. So after doing all this test, I'm going to show you the voltage. We are going to read the voltage coming out from here so we can times it to see how many watts it is consuming. Let's go to the video without wasting much time. So we've set it on amps. So let's start it up. This one, there is nothing. Everything will start at the same time. Everything will start at the same time. I told you there's no wire connected anywhere. So let me press it right here. It is spinning. Look at the amps it is consuming. 0.84. It is spinning very heavily. It is spinning very high. It is spinning very high. Look at the amps. Sorry, this side is shaking. That is the connection to the DC motor is shaking. So let's adjust it. Okay, it's now connected. So it's working with heavy speed right now. So even for me to stop it, it will be very hard for me to stop it. So I have to use this rubber right here. You can see this from the previous experiment. So I want to use this rubber right here to pressurize it so that you can see the amps it is consuming. it will only consume 0.9 amps. As you can see, it's spinning. This one is also spinning with 0.85 amps. So let me pressurize this. Once I pressure, I'm adding a pressure to it. See, I've added high pressure, and it's only consuming 8.9. You can see. So this thing has a maximum horsepower, and it's only consuming 0.9 amps, AC amps, and it's also charging this battery also for free. This battery is almost fully charged. It's charging this battery now. So let's off the system. Let's check the voltage. Let's check the voltage coming out from this system. We'll take our clamp to volt. Let's check how many volts it is consuming. So we'll times it. So let's on. So 212 volts. 212 volts. So if you do your calculation, 212 volts times 0.9 powering this DC motor. This DC motor can be used to spin anything, and this AC motor is also rolling also. 1 horsepower, 3.5 horsepower. So 212 times 212 is around 190 something also. So we are using approximately 200 watts to run all this right here. So this is just a DC motor. You can add anything here like a drill. In my previous videos I've demonstrated so many things, but why I use this video now to demonstrate is just to show you that it can power up to 3.5 horsepower. Up to 3.5 horsepower. So you can use this 3.5 horsepower to rotate or do anything you want to do. Even though when the motor is on load, or on full load, it can only consume 200 watts from the system, and you can benefit a lot from it. You can put it as a grinder, a cutter, anything you want. So that is how the modifications, and this is a very advanced system right here, and it's the latest design for now. Thank you. Please do subscribe to this video, and also do subscribe to my main channel, which is Joseph Ocheme Officials, and also subscribe to Joseph Ocheme Officials, because that is my main page which I use for now. So please go to Joseph Ocheme and subscribe, and also subscribe also to Fearless Hub channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you.